All right, so in this video, we're going to answer questions 7 through a lot of questions here. So we'll answer 7 through 13. 7 through 13. All right. So it says f of x equals to 4x plus 3. G of x equals to f of x plus 5. Find g of x. Well, g of x equals to f of x. Well, f of x is just 4x plus 3. Then there's a plus 5 on the outside. And by combining like terms, we have g of x equals to 4x plus 8. Okay, so then we have number 8, right? It says f of x equals to 2x minus 5, and g of x equals to f of x plus 3 plus 4. You want to find g of x, right? So g of x equals to, well, it says f of x plus 3. We know f of x is 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5. So that's going to be 2x minus 5. Let's put that in a different color, actually. Let's put that in red. It's going to be 2x minus 5. And don't forget, then there's a plus 4 on the outside. And that says f of x plus 3, right? So we can just put a x plus 3 inside the parentheses. Then we can distribute. So g of x equals to 2x plus 6. Well, negative 5 minus 4, that's negative 1. And then 6 minus 1 is 5. And there you go. You know, baby steps. Baby steps. So now we have this one. F of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared. And g of x equals to negative f of x plus 5. So we know f of x is x cubed plus 2x squared. So g of x equals to negative f of x, but I'm going to put parentheses because f of x is x cubed plus 2x squared. And I know I put x squared by accident. And then on the outside, we have a plus 5. So g of x equals to, distribute in the parentheses, that's negative x cubed. That's going to be minus 2x squared. And then that's going to be plus 5. Look how beautiful that looks. And then the last one, which is the most annoying one. I'm not going to lie to you. Number 10 is the most annoying one. So it says f of x equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. And g of x equals to f of x minus 2. Then on the outside, plus 5. It says find g of x. So first, let's find f of x minus 2. And we're going to actually write that in blue, because we already know what f of x is. F of x is 2x squared. So 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. But instead of putting x in this case, we're going to put x minus 2 inside the parentheses. Now, remember, x minus 2 to the second power is not, please do not do this. Please do not write this as x squared minus 4 or x squared plus 4, because that is incorrect. I'll do it over here. x minus 2 squared is the same as x minus 2 times x minus 2. And when you work that out, that is x squared times negative 2x times negative 2x times positive 4. Combine like terms, that's x squared minus 4x plus 4. So now we have 2 times x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then we also have this negative 3 times the quantity of x minus 2. We can distribute into the parentheses, so negative 3x plus 6. Bring over the plus 1. Might need more space. But anyways, let's distribute inside the parentheses as well, once again. So that's 2x squared minus 8x minus 8. Sorry, plus 8, excuse me, plus 8. Minus 3x, and that's plus 7. Let me see. So let's write continued on last page. So before I continue on the last page, I'm just going to go over here real quick. So in combined like terms, so negative 8x minus 3x, that is negative 11x. So that's going to equal 2x cubed, 2x squared minus 11x, 8 plus 7 is 15. So plus 15. You know what? No, I can squeeze this in right here. I have time. I have enough space. So we're going to cut this off over here. Oops, I didn't mean to erase. I'm going to cut this off over here. So f of x minus 2 equals to 2x squared minus 11x plus 15. Let me double check all my work before I proceed. I do believe that is correct. X squared minus 4x plus 4. Distribute the 2. 2x squared minus negative 8x plus 8. Distribute the negative 3 in the parentheses. That's negative 3. X plus 6 and plus 1. That's a plus 7. All right. So now to find g of x. That is f of x minus 2, which I just found. So that's going to be 2x squared minus 11x plus 15. And then don't forget, there is a plus 5 there. On the outside, there's a plus 5. So our answer races down here. I'm going to write the answer down here. So our answer is 2x squared minus 11x plus 20. All right. 11, 12, and 13. So 11 says, given a table of values for f, let g of x equals to f of x, then on the outside plus 2. You want to find g of 5. So to find g of 5 in this case, that is going to equal to f of 5 plus 2. Well, in this case, f of 5 is equal to negative 2. So g of 5 equals to negative 2 plus 2. So g of 5 is equal to 0. And that is the answer for that one. Now, once again, we have a table for f, and it says g of x equals to f of x plus 2. Then on the outside, it's minus 3, and you want to find g of 1. So f of 1 g of 1 equals to f of 1 plus 2. On the outside, minus 3. So g of 1 is equal to the value of f of 3, and then whatever that is, that's minus 3. F of 3 is 8, so that's going to be g of 1 equals to 8 minus 3. G of 1 equals to 5. And last but not least, same thing for number 13. We want to find g of 4. So g of 4 is going to equal to negative f of 4 minus 2. G of 4 equals to negative f. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now, if you look here, f of 2 is 21. So g of 4 is going to equal to negative 21. And that's our answer. So that is it for this video. Hopefully everything worked out well. At least hopefully for me, because I had a hard time trying to find where to put number 10 at. But hopefully this makes sense and you guys can follow. Once again, it's my pleasure making these videos for you guys. Hopefully you watch them. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.